All right, so function tables with two-step rules. What is this about? This is about finding corresponding values of x and y for a function. Remember, a function, what is it? It's just a relationship between two variables, between two different things. And in a lot of linear equations, we're seeing relationships between y and x. So there's not a single solution. There is a relationship. When x equals 3, y equals something. When x equals 6, y equals something else. So we're trying to figure out those values. So how do we figure out those values? We just plug in these values for x. So for example, when x equals 3, we replace the x with 3. Then we evaluate. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 1. Y equals 13. When x equals 6, 4 times 6 is 24 plus 1 is 25. When y equals 8, 4 times 8 is 32 plus 1, which is 33. And when y equals 10, x equals 10, excuse me, 4 times 10 is 40 plus 1 is 41. All right, this is essentially the same, but I'll actually walk through this one before. I won't do it super quickly, just so you get a feel for what's going on. 20 minus 2x. So again, we're replacing the x with whatever these y values are that they're giving us. So they want to know what it is when x equals 1. So this is 20 minus 2, which is 18. When x equals 3, this is 20 minus 6, which is 14. When x equals 4, this is 20 minus 8, which is 12. And then when x equals 6, this is 20 minus 12, which equals 8.